Okay, student. Now we will solve question number 7. Exercise 2.4. Question is Hassan buys two kinds of cloths. Okay, cloths material for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost rupees 50 meter, and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 meter. Now for every 2 meter of trouser material he buys 3 meters of shirt material. Okay, next the question is he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sales is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Okay, so in question I think the 36,600, it will be 36,660. Okay, if we assume it 6, then it will be easy to calculate or to solve the problem. 36,660. Okay, but in book it is given as 0, but if we assume it 6, then it will be easy to calculate. So comes to the question. So what is the condition is here? 2 meter of trouser material he buys 3 meters of shirt material. That means we can write the ratio of trouser and shirt equals to 2:3. Okay, therefore we can write, what we can write? We can write the trouser material required, trouser material or we can write trouser material equals to 2x and shirt material 3x. Why? Because 2 meter of trouser material is same as 3 meter of shirt material. This is the condition given in the question. And another part of the question is per meter of shirt and per meter of trouser. Per meter of shirt is how much? Per meter of shirt is rupees 50, and per meter of trouser is how much? Rupees 90. Okay, so total trouser material is 2x and total shirt material is 3x. So we can write the cost of trouser equals to 2x into 90. Okay, because trouser material is how much? Trouser material is 2x meter and shirt material is 3x meter. So total cost will be how much? Per meter cost of trouser is how much? 90 per meter. So we can write the total cost of trouser is 2x into 90. That means rupees 180x, and cost of shirt will be how much? 3x into how much? Per meter cost is how much? 50. Therefore we can write rupees 150x. Now condition is if he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. Now the total cost is how much of trouser? 180, and the total cost of shirt is how much? 150. Now we have to find the sale price. If we want to find the sale price, then the sale price of the selling price of trouser equals to, how we find it? 180x into profit is how much? 12% profit. So how we write it? 100 plus 12 by 100. Therefore we can write 180x into 1112 by 100. That means this 0 and this 0 cancel out. Therefore we can write 112 into 18, 6, 9, 8, 2, 1, 1. So it is how much? 6, 1, 0, 2. So it is 6, carry 1, 8 1 8 plus 9, 8. It is 2, 1, 1, 6, 11, 1, carry 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 2. So it is how much? 2016x by 10. That means we can write 201.6x. This is the sale price of trouser. Next, sale price of shirt. It is how much? 150 x into 100 plus 10, because 10% profit in case of shirt, by 100. Or we can write 150x into 110 by 100. This 0 and 0 cancel out, and this 0 and this 0 cancel out. So 15 into 11, 5, 1, 5, 1. So it is 5, 6, 1. So it is how much? It is 165x. Okay, this is the sale price. We can write rupees, right? Rupees. So sale price is 165x. Now according to the question, what is the total cost? 36660. What is the total cost? 36660 total cost. And what we find? The total cost of trouser is how much? 201.6x and shirt 165x. So now we can write according to the question. So according to the question, we can write 201.6x 1.6x plus 165x plus 165x. That is, we write 3660. We add it, 201.6 plus 165 is 6.663. Okay, so we can write 366.6 x equals to 36660, or we can write x equals to 36660 divided by 366.6. okay, or we can write x equals to, if you remove point, if you remove from the denominator, if you remove point from denominator, then extra 0 will come here, extra 0 will come here, so we can divide it, and what will come? 100. So x is 100. But what we have to find? The how much trouser material did he buy? How much trouser material did he buy? So how much trouser material? Total trouser material is 2x. So the trouser material he will buy 2 into 100, that means 200 meter. Okay, 200 meter. Thank you.